In this video, you'll learn how to manage daily bookings in Venue Manager. We'll use Calendar, All Bookings, and Daily Capacity to monitor upcoming bookings, check availability, track redemptions, and export data for operational planning. By the end, you'll know which view to use depending on the question you need answered. Calendar gives you a high-level view of bookings across a week or month. By default, no products are selected, so the calendar may appear empty. Use the product selector at the top right to choose which products you want to display. Once selected, the calendar updates in real time. Each day shows bookings scheduled for that date. If there are more than 5 bookings, select More to view the full list. Use the Date selector to move between weeks and toggle between monthly and daily views depending on how much detail you need. You can refine the calendar view using filters. Filter by time of day, specific products, or product categories to focus on what matters most. If you frequently use the same filters, save the configuration as a custom view. This allows you to return to the same setup without reapplying filters each time. Keep in mind that Calendar displays booking level totals. If a booking includes tickets across multiple session times, the total number of tickets may appear on the first session time. From here, you can select any booking to drill into its details, review the Order tab, and confirm exact quantities by session. You can also use the calendar to create new bookings directly, making it one of the most commonly used views for both monitoring and creating bookings in Roller. All Bookings provides a searchable and filterable grid of bookings. Use the search bar to locate bookings by name or booking ID. Apply filters for date range, booking status, product, or assigned staff to narrow the results. This view is ideal when you need to follow up on unpaid bookings, identify upcoming parties, or review bookings assigned to specific staff members. You can also right-click the grid to add or remove columns, such as contact number, assigned staff, resources, or booking notes. To support operational planning, you can export booking data as a CSV file. Select the Options menu, then choose Export Bookings and Forms. Select the fields you want included, then choose Alert Me when complete. When the export is ready, a notification appears in the bell icon. This export can help you prepare staffing, catering, or resource allocation for upcoming bookings. Daily Capacity provides a real-time view of bookings and resource usage for a single day. Each row represents a resource, such as a party room or activity space. The grid shows how many guests are booked into each time slot and how many spaces remain available. For single booking resources, the booking holder's name appears directly in the time slot. You can filter by specific resources and adjust the start and end time to align with your operating hours, so you're only viewing the parts of the day that matter. This view helps you identify peak times, monitor resource load, and prevent overbooking in real time. Enable Show Redemptions to see how many tickets have been redeemed at POS. This allows you to compare expected attendance with actual arrivals. Hover over a time slot to see more details, or select it to open booking information in the side panel. Use filters at the top to adjust the date, resource, or time range. If you frequently use the same setup, save it as a custom view. Use Calendar when you need a broad overview across days or weeks. Use All Bookings when you need to search, filter, follow up, or export booking data. Use Daily Capacity when you need real-time visibility of resources, attendance, and availability for a specific day. Each view supports a different operational need. You now know how to monitor bookings using Calendar, All Bookings, and Daily Capacity. You can filter and customize views, save commonly used configurations, and export booking data to support planning. With these tools, you can confidently manage daily operations and stay ahead of upcoming bookings.